got to make sure that they're slowing down. If it looks like they're slowing down, that means their foot's on the brake, not on the gas. Their intention is to stop. $9.55 is your road test, so you won't have any school buses.
That's kind of like, I was like, okay, I feel like I got it at a good time. I feel like people are gonna, hopefully there won't be too much
Yeah,
traffic.
that's a good time to go, actually. 10 o'clock. Anytime between 9 a.m. I find and 1 p.m. Usually around that time is the best time to go. Windshield's starting to get a little foggy here, so I just put the front defrost on and the back defrost too, because when you put the back defrost on, it also defrosts your mirrors too, your side mirrors. Used to be 50 here.
Did it?
Yeah. They lowered the speed down to 40 in a lot of the back roads there this year. And then at this intersection, we're going to turn left. I guess you're missing a bit of school for this today.
I am missing a day.
Oh, you took the whole day, did you?
Yep. Well, my last class is a spare, so by the time I go to school,
Oh,
it'll be
yeah.
like lunch.
Yeah. It's not worth it.
Yeah, I'll just stay home with it.
Might as well. Do you have your own vehicle lined up?
My dad's looking at getting another vehicle because we have a truck and that's almost like kind of done. So,
It's probably excited. Woohoo!
yeah.
Get a new vehicle.
I think he's excited for like not having to pick me up from work.
I guess so, yeah. You live out in, what was it, St. Charles or Noelville?
Me?
Yeah.
I live in Wampanoag.
Wanapatay?
Yeah.
Oh, here, I thought you were coming from
No.
St. Charles.